Hello everyone. If you are looking to study abroad in Asia on a fully funded scholarship, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to explain Thailand Government Scholarships under the Thailand International Postgraduate Program TIPP, including benefits, eligibility, and the complete application process. Let me explain what is TIPP scholarship. The Thailand International Postgraduate Scholarship is a fully funded master's scholarship offered by the Thailand government for international students for the next academic year intake. This program was introduced in 2000 to support students from developing countries and promote South South cooperation, knowledge sharing, and sustainable development. Now, let's discuss field and study areas. TIP focuses on development related fields such as public health, agriculture and food security, climate change and environment, biocircular green economy, sufficient economies philosophy, and UN Sustainable Development Goal. You can study at Thai universities under this program aligned with these themes. Scholarship benefits. The Thailand Government Scholarship is fully funded and it covers return economy class airfare, accommodation allowance, monthly living allowance of 7,000 baht, book allowance of 10,000 baht per year, settlement allowance of 6,000 baht, thesis and field work allowance, full tuition fee, health and medical insurance. This means almost all expenses are covered under this scholarship. The deadline to apply for Thailand Government Scholarship is 23rd February. Now let's briefly discuss the eligibility criteria. To apply, you must be a TIP eligible country. You can check the list of eligible countries under this link. You must have a bachelor's degree or relevant professional experience. You must be under 50 years of age. You have a good command of English. You must have experience in the field related to your chosen course. And next important point is you must be nominated by your country's national focal point, usually Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And you must be medically and mentally fit. Now let's discuss how to apply for Thailand Government Scholarship. Here is the step-by-step application process. Fill out the online application form on the TICA website. Get official nomination from your country's national focal point. You have to prepare these documents, which include application form, medical report, bachelor's transcript and degree, English test score, IELTS or TOEFL, recommendation letters, and maybe thesis in some cases. Submit hard copies through the Royal Thai Embassy or Consulate. Each country can nominate up to 5 candidates per program. You can check more information on this on the official website. The Thailand Government Scholarship under the Thailand International Postgraduate Program Scholarship is a highly competitive, so start preparing early, especially your nomination and documents. I have added the official website link and full details in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more fully funded scholarship updates.